So an average roast time is about 12 to 15 minutes. What affects that is the amount of beans I put in and the degree of darkness I cook the beans to. For a dark roast, I'm seeing about 15 to 16 minutes. For a light roast, it's more towards 11 minutes. So when it comes to roasting, the first thing I do is I warm the pan up to help kickstart the roast. Then I dump my beans in. So right now I'm cooling the beans off. It's important they get the beans cooled off as fast as possible to stop the roasting.